Everyone, welcome to my channel Tiny Tots Stories. Today, I'll be reading out the story Willow, the Kind Tree. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there stood a magnificent tree named Willow. Willow was not just any tree, she was the kindest tree in the entire forest. She loved all the creatures that lived around her, from the tiny squirrels to the chirping birds. Every day, Willow would offer shade to the animals seeking refuge from the scorching sun. She would share her juicy fruits with the hungry birds and shelter the fragile butterflies during rainy days. Willow's kindness knew no bounds. One sunny morning, a little rabbit named Cotton found himself lost in the forest. Scared and alone, he stumbled upon Willow. With a gentle rustle of her leaves, Willow comforted Cotton and showed him the way back home. From that day on, Cotton visited Willow often, and they became the best of friends. One day, a fierce storm swept through the forest, leaving destruction in its wake. Willow bravely stood her ground, protecting her forest friends from harm. But the storm was too powerful, and Willow's branches were damaged. As the sun rose the next day, the forest animals gathered around Willow, saddened by her plight. Determined to help their kind friend, they worked together to heal her wounds, nurturing her with love and care. Through the selfless acts of kindness from her forest friends, Willow recovered stronger than ever before. And from that day on, Willow's kindness inspired everyone in the forest to help each other, teaching them that together they could overcome any challenge. So, what is the moral of the story, dear kids? Kindness and cooperation can help us overcome any obstacle in life. I hope you liked today's story. For more such stories, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.